Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. I'm Bags Passionate. Welcome to my channel. And today's video is again an unboxing. I apologize, but I finally decided to show you the several unboxing because after I have other video to make, so for me it was easier to show you the unboxing now. And this one is not a Longchamp related unboxing. It's a Kipling one. But since I got it thanks to a summer code during the summer sale, I think it was nice to place this video right now during my summer unboxing. Without further ado, I explain you everything. Let's go. I have ordered this bag on the Wardo website, which is a German website available in several languages. I have no clue if this website is available in North America or any other part of the world. I just know that in Europe you can have access to this website. This video is not sponsored. And they have several brands and they have Kipling bags. And I am quite happy because if you have followed my channel and my previous video concerning Kipling, I really wanted to add to my Kipling collection a shoulder bag. And I was torn between the Elysia and the Elysia. And finally, after seeing some Elysia and Elysia bag in the world, in the street, I thought that the Elysia was the best option for me. And unfortunately, on the Kipling website, when I was making my researches, no Elysia were on sale. And finally, one color went on sale, but it was not my favorite color. And during my researches, I saw that on Wardo, because it's a website that I sometimes watch it, but I never ordered from it. I saw that they got some Elysia bag and you can have a discount code. It was summer, the word summer. And thanks to this code, I got the bag at 25% off. I will place the unboxing video. I am happy because the shipping was fast. It was well wrapped, the box was really strong, so it was okay to travel from Germany to France. And here we have, so I'm going to unbox it. Oh, you have a code here, don't know if you can read. And I went for the gray color, because I don't have any gray bag. In fact, I've got an anthracite gray bag. My very first Kipling bag is strong gray, dark gray, but I don't have light gray like this one. So here is the Elysia bag. Let me unwrap. They do have minimal wrapping. And here we are. So you've got, once again, the tag here. I don't know. Yes, you can read. The Elysia bag is a shoulder bag. And I love Kipling handles because these parts are really comfortable on your shoulder or in the end. And you see, it's really cool. I love the design, the general design of the bag. I like it. So here we are. The color is really beautiful. So you have one zipped pocket behind, which is really spacious. Can fit a phone, can fit several things. But you also have one in the front with the logo here. The front one is really even bigger, as you can tell. You have the plushy monkey here, which is really lovely color. His name is Javi. You have one strap to carry it on your shoulder also or crossbody. It is adjustable and removable, and you've got several compartments as you can see. So if you've got one main compartment with a zip, let's open it. Oh, it's massive. You really have a big capacity, and you have several flap pockets. You have one here, you've got the pen pocket, you've got this one here too. And you've got another inside zipped pocket. There's many zipped pockets, which is really practical, which is really massive here. And here, let's go back. So this is the main compartment. And you have this with a button pressure compartment here, really spacious. and another one here. You see? So in fact, you've got 3 main compartments. The 2 on the extreme side are smaller, but they are really big, I do think. And this one is the main. I love the general design of this bag. It's full of pockets, it's full of places. It's really nice to organize. Yeah, so that's why I was really tempted to add it to my collection. It is super lightweight, so you can fit a bunch and you only have the weight of your item. And I don't know, but I love the style of it. Yeah, it's for my body size, it's perfect. It's not a really big shoulder bag. Yeah, it's really perfect. And I think this color is okay for all year long. It was also in the navy color and in the black. Oh, in the black. No, I think it was in the black on the Wardle website. And I'm really happy because I saw the gray on the Kipling website, and I was really into this color. I'm not a gray person, but I think it's nice because all my Kipling bags have, yes, they are black, they are purple. So yes, I'm happy to add a light color. You don't have feet, but I'm super happy. And so I told you I got a bargain on it, a 25% discount. So this bag used to retail for 99.90 euro, yes, around 100 euro, and I finally paid 74.92 euros. So yes, 75 euros. So 75 euro a bag like this, and I know that the nylon texture is really durable. And just to add to my collection, because I told you I really wanted a shoulder bag from Kipling for everyday use or for the travel, because thanks to this, I think it will be really nice for the travel. So I'm really happy to add it to my collection. I love the style. Of course, I will do a warranty review and keep you updated about how I use it, when I use it, and how finally it happened. Did I have a good idea to add a shoulder bag from Kipling in my collection? I will tell you everything, but for now, I'm really happy to have it. And I really appreciate the color. It's really different from what I got in my collection. My friend, please tell me in the comment below, do you have the Elysia bag? Because it's a bag that is since a long time in the Kipling range of bag. So tell me if you got in your collection or you want to add it. We open the discussion. Do you have some summer deals? Because Kipling has done summer sales. Did you pick something? Let's open the discussion. If you love this video, do not forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. It really matters. And we are nearly 5K, so join us. Thank you. It's free for you. Till the next video, take care. I love you and we see us soon. Bye bye.